Okay, today I spot another one, the NVDA NVDA. There's tons of puts on this ticker. It's like 88% bearish. So I bought two contracts in the morning to the downside, and let's see how it go tomorrow. And also, as you can see, there's 120 million dark pool print on Nevada. I think some of the institution is selling this stock, because currently the stock at the moment is 150. So I mean, like, someone is like selling or shorting this ticker at this price. So we'll wait and see how it go tomorrow.